exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us.
Taxi dust!
Just like that, we're at Hollywood Studios after a nice little break. And our lightning lanes start by the time we get in and get checked in with our tickets past security. It's my third hibiscus soda, which means I'm going to be bouncing off the walls because I never have sugar like this. I never drink sodas. Makes for a fun day.
Deal, you know, but it's unlikely we'll run into trouble in that narrow layer. But those two teams, Captain.
The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Bakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Nine Numb and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Bakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Affirmative. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate green flight sequence on Deck 3 for Bakara.
Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Rey, I have been tasked with getting you to Bakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
First order TIE fighters! Reroute! Reroute! Right, you, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make a jump!
Well, they are interrogating me, but they're letting me keep my share. This is the best part of the ride.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You need it on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention on bridge. Critical proximity.
There they are! Fire!
The escape pod's just below us. Take the risk now. We'll cover you. Hurry! No, not up! I said down!
I just rode Rise of Resistance, and it doesn't matter how many times I've been on it, it still gives me like butterflies in my stomach. Best part is I got to meet Rey as soon as I walked out. And there's another character, but she's only in the parks, and I don't know who she is. I honestly don't. I'm a movie, comics, game fan, but I don't know any of the characters created for the parks. This has been a great, lazy day.
nice to see new toys in the backyard.
Here's a toy in Andy's backyard. It's like striking the mother. You're gonna love it.
Headed back into Batuu for my lightning lane for Millennium Falcon. And this is the slow season, guys.
A few brand new crew members and a few returning for another mission. Excellent! You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the Resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Right, engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Runners, shoot the train. Harpoons!
The carpo's ready. We keep shooting.
Get the harpoon! Good job, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here.
That's the best ride on Millennium Falcon I've ever had. I have never made the rank of pirate, but that's the first time I've actually been on the ride with people who wanted to do it and enjoyed it, and it was just a whole lot of fun. That was fun. Well, I did it a little broken up because of the lightning lanes, but I managed to do everything in Batuu today. I rode Rise of Resistance, I did the Smuggler's Run, I had lunch at the docking bay, and I took photos with the lightsabers. So I got a lot done in just a relaxing way. One last look at Batuu. And now we can watch it transition from off-planet in Batuu to Andy's backyard. And there's Andy's backyard.
I appreciate it.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!